Good morning, everyone. Just quickly, we had some manufacturing data out in the US yesterday. Basically, the ISM data for US manufacturing fell further into contraction territory, falling from 48.7 to 48.5 in June. That has had 1 month of expansion in the last 2 years. US manufacturing has been contracting for 2 years. It's the incredible shrinking manufacturing base of the United States. At the same time, construction spending also contracted in the latest month, which is a little bit unusual for that data series. So it's only a small contraction, but it's still a worry. Those people have been telling you the US economy is strong? No. Those people who are telling you the US stock market is strong? No. Look at the Russell 2000 index and look outside just a handful of stocks, and you'll see that there's significant weakness in the US economy and the US equity market. That doesn't mean that some of the standout stocks won't continue to rally. However, the US 500 index, you may not realize this because when it has an up day, it gets much more press than when it has a down day. But the US stock market's been going sideways for 2.5 weeks now. So I don't think interest rate cuts will be helping the market. I think gold is happy where it is at the moment, so it may not kick up straight away, but long-term gold's a massive buy. We've been long oil for weeks. Please go to my website, cliffordbennett.com.au, sign up for a free newsletter there, SnapView. We've been long oil for weeks, and I think it still has acceleration potential. So a good performance yesterday from oil. The US dollar, I think it could be firm again on still concerns over Ukraine, but with President Trump. Remember, I forecast last year that Trump will win this US presidential election. I forecast he would win the first time he did. I forecast Biden would win last election, and I forecast Trump will win long ago. And he's just been given immunity over some situations regarding his legal battles. With or without that, though, I still saw him winning. Now, what does a Trump election mean for the US economy? It probably means maintaining the tax cuts that Biden wants to remove, which is good for the economy and certainly kicked along the economic base for all groups of people across the United States. He will also introduce, he has said, 10% tariffs on China goods, which is a very hostile act, but still could be good for the US. So manufacturing could at least stabilize. Generally, though, I think the big impact he could have, but it's still a way off, is that if he could follow through on his debate promises of ending the war in Ukraine, that could see the euro be finally strengthening again. It could temper gold and oil markets as well, but that's still a while off and something to keep an eye on over the medium term. Once again, thank you very much. I really want to wish you have something surprising to you that you really didn't expect happen to you that's very positive and good in your day today. Thanks very much. Have a good one.